Yes. And when you go upstairs, you will see the grade 12 integrity and the grade 11 humility. Come on, let's explore!
Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa first building. At dito na tayo sa second building. At dito naman ang 11 unity. At ang
Ngayon naman ay nandito tayo sa aming canteen. Now let's proceed to the grade 7 peace and the grade 7 love and the grade 8 honesty. So now this is the grade 7 peace and the second is welcome to grade 7 love. And the last one is the grade 8 honesty. Now we're going upstairs. The first is the grade 8 faith. And the second is the grade 9 kindness. And the last one is the grade 9 hope. And now we are here to the faculty and now we are here at farmhouse.
sige lang, sige lang.
The last one is the principal's and now we are here at the animation area. So this is our vermicomposting area. So let's proceed to our farm.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the